Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. This is your friend, your sister, your girl, Jugo Kids. Hope you guys are doing well. Hope you guys are doing good. Yeah guys, today I'm going to show you guys how I created this gorgeous look. Hope you guys will love it. Without wasting much of your time, let's get into the tutorial.
I've been stuck on your memory, but it's not like I need it. And we may have some history, but we don't have to repeat it. You made this mess and left me with the pieces. Now I'm gonna burn all the bridges between us. I just can't let you go. Lord knows that I've tried to. You said I was the only one. No one likes being lied to. You made this mess and left me with the pieces. Now I wanna burn all the bridges between us. I've been stuck on your memory, but it's not like I need it. And we may have some history, but we don't have to repeat it. You made this mess and left me with the pieces. Now I'm gonna burn all the bridges between us. I've been thinking too much lately. I
Guys, I hope you guys enjoy this makeup tutorial. I hope you guys love it. I'm going to leave every product I use in the description below. Just check it out. You see every product I use for this makeup look. Thank you so much, guys, for liking. Thank you so much, guys, for watching. I really appreciate you guys. Thank you for my old subscribers. Thank you for my new subscribers. You guys are awesome. I can't thank you enough. Thank you so much. Please don't forget to subscribe. If you are new, don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to share. Don't forget to like. Don't forget to comment. All is free. All is free. Let's take this channel to the permanent side. Thank you so much. I really appreciate you guys. God bless you. Really good. Bye bye. See you guys in my next video.